Hello, General Math students. Today is Monday, January 11th, so we're going to talk about your assignments for the week of January 11th through the 15th. You really only have three actually, but we'll get to the next one in a minute. Both of them are in Go Formative. You're going to start with lesson 5.2 in Go Formative. You're going to watch the video first and then do the 5.2 practice, numbers 1 through 6. Very short, very sweet. Then the second thing is lesson 5.3, also in Go Formative. Same thing, there's a video, and this practice, 5.3 practice, is 1 through 25. So again, 5.2 and then 5.3, both in Go Formative, both have video and then a practice. Which brings us to our question of the week. Question of the week is fairly simple, but instead of answering it during our scheduled Google Meet, you're going to submit something into Schoology. We've been talking about ratios, and this week you're going to talk about rates and unit rates. So I want you to find a photo or take a picture of a ratio, rate, or unit rate somewhere out in the real world. Grocery stores, ads in the paper, wherever. Once you have the photo or picture, I want you to submit it to the Schoology assignment. And the Schoology assignment is going to be called Question of the Week. Okay, that's what our Schoology assignment is going to be called. So my example is a speed limit sign. You see them all over. Tells you the speed limit, and basically it means 50 miles per hour, which is a unit rate. So this is my example. You cannot use my example. So again, question of the week. There will be a question of the week assignment in Schoology. You find a photo or take a picture of a ratio, rate, or unit rate in the real world, and then submit it to the Schoology assignment. If you have questions, please let me know. Otherwise, have a great week.